Hi, today I'm going to show you our new BrainBuffet grading system that is available on the My Class page now. So on this page, you'll now have a new section where you'll be able to choose from a drop-down of your groups. In this case, we only have one group, so it shows up here. Otherwise, there'd be a drop-down right here where you can select from your multiple groups. This is going to give you a list of all the users in that group, and by default, just tell you if they're in progress with any of the courses or if they've started, what have you. So we'll move into one of these users by clicking the In Progress button, or Not Started, and this will give us a little bit of insight into what that user has completed. So this will load up a list of every single course that the user has access to through the group, and if the user has completed the course, they'll have a button for the certificate. In this case, we have the Illustrator certificate available for that student. And if you click on the certificate, you can view it. And it will download as a PDF for that user with their user's name. Otherwise, you can just click on this drop-down arrow, and that will show you all that they've completed for each course. Alright, and if you go back to group management, it should bring you back to the My Class page. And we'll also show you how to access the same information about the quizzes. So if you click on this drop down over here and choose quiz, you'll notice that it brings you to a new page, the group quiz report, where you'll select the course, and you'll also select the quiz. If you have multiple groups, you'll also be prompted to select the group again as well. We'll select Photoshop and the Project 1 quiz. This will load up our list of students who have completed it. So no students have done the Photoshop quiz. We'll try the Illustrator Project 1 quiz. And as you can see, we have one student who has attempted it multiple times. You can see the quiz score and the date as well. And if you click here, you'll see a detailed report about that specific attempt and the questions that they answered and how they answered them. Notice also that you can sort by first name and last name by clicking on these icons up here. In this case, it's the same user, so we won't see that, but you can see it sorting by date here.